Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Desire UPSC Vlogs. If you are new to my channel, then do subscribe it and also press the bell icon to never miss any update. This is my last study vlog till my prelims. Today I woke up around 8 o'clock in the morning because I was studying for very late at the night, and as I just woke up I went upstairs on my terrace. I did some of the basic stretching exercise. I also watered my plants, and it was really refreshing to do some exercise and watch some green plants outside. And while coming back to my room, I plucked some of the lemongrass in order to prepare lemongrass tea. You guys have known by this time that this will be my last study vlog, but it is still prelims only. Once the prelims is over, I'll again start putting and publishing my study vlogs and having live study sessions. So it is just a matter of 10 days, because I really want to concentrate on the exam and I want to revise everything, so I won't get enough time to edit things or record things out. So yes, this will be last vlog till prelims. This is my room and it is really messy because exam is really close, and I keep on reading a lot of books, my different the test series and my notes. So everything is like piled up here and there in the room, and also there are a lot of pen and everything because I keep on highlighting important things. So yes, this is it's messy, but yes, in this phase it is like this only. Having healthy breakfast in the morning is really because it acts as a good fuel which helps you to sustain till afternoon, and it really helps to concentrate because you're full of energy, enthusiastic. So yes, in today's breakfast I'm having pomegranate, guava and apple. After having this healthy breakfast, I'll be starting the first study session of the day. And now the study sessions are really different from my regular study sessions, because now I have to do a very quick revisions of my notes of if in this particular study session I'm reading my handmade notes for history. So it is the entire timeline of history and what are the events happening in between. So this is for modern India. So all the national movements are there, and different type of committees which are formed, what were the revolutions happening. So everything is written with some of the very short and quick revising notes. So yes, these revisions are very quick, and only important things I'm covering up. Whenever I am revising something, I always try to highlight some of the important topics or some of the important dates, events, because I really find it helpful in order to remind that thing. So yes, I do that. If you also do that, then write it in the comment section and how it is helping you. The revision session was around 2 hours 30 minutes long, and after it I had a small break, and in that break I was having green tea and also enjoying the view from my table. And here I am sharing the small planter which I made. So this is a small planter which I made, and I have put a small baby Buddha statue into it, and I really loved it. And this gave a very refreshing touch on my study table, and I really like my table to be very articulated and organized. After enjoying 30 minutes of tea break, I am again back on my schedule, and the second study session is going to be revision of the test series which I have attempted. So here is the answer booklet of the test series, and I'm just revising and going through the entire test series, because it happens like when I was giving the test series, I knew many of the questions, but also like there were many questions which I didn't knew and had no idea, and there were some questions in which I had a lot of confusion. So that's why I decided to read the entire answer key which was given, and it was a kind of very good revision because everything was written in very crisp manner. So yes, it's very important. here I'm doing third revision of this answer key because like there are some things which are very technical and factual, so I'm tend to forget those things. So in my third revision I'm doing a very quick revision and I'm trying to revise it again, so in the real examination I don't get confused into the option. This revision session was 3 hours long, and after it I was totally tired, so I was just standing near my window and observing what is happening outside. And I live in outskirts, so that's why I got a beautiful view of the village, and I also see a lot of animals like this cows and a lot of goats going through in a crowd, so it's also very pleasant to see them, and it's very refreshing in between the study breaks, and it is a great stress buster for me. After enjoying half an hour break, I am again back to my study area, and here I am doing a quick revision of geography terms. And this is a YouTube video lecture of the faculty Amit Sen Gupta, and I really found his videos very good, and they are very short, crisp and concise, and they explain the terms very beautifully. So I really like this lecture series, and I follow it. And here I am watching it in order to revise my geography terms, and it is, I found this the quickest method to revise the geography term. So yes, I really liked it, and it was very useful in revision for geography. So you guys can also watch it, and I will be giving the link in the description. As exams is very close, so I also feel very nervous, and my emotions keep on changing with the passing days, or in the morning it's very different than in the evening, because like when I attempt some of the test series I get very good marks, and in some of the test series I get low marks, so it also kind of dishearten me, but still I keep my confidence high, and I really believe in myself. And yes, having a positive attitude is very necessary at this point of time. On my tagboard I have created a calendar, and I keep on slashing the days which are passing by in order to count that how many days are near to the exam. And yes, so here at the end of the video I would like to wish all the best to all my fellow aspirants who are going to appear for this exam, and I'll see you after my prelims, and I'll also share my experience, how was my exam and how was the entire process. So yes, till then, happy study hours to all. If you like my video, then do give a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and if you have some doubts, then write it in the comment section below. At last, thank you everyone for watching my videos.